This is one of two remaining windows in the house that I still need to replace. I'm hoping that a new window will provide a little bit better insulation and an unobstructed view to the outside. We're going to lose the sliders at the bottom. This is an original, came with the house, but its time has come. And after a 4-month wait for the replacement, today is the day. Other than it being really heavy, wasn't so bad. So far got it out without too much trouble. And what I thought was the window looked smaller than the actual opening. So Thankfully, I did order the window smaller thinking I would just block it off, and that's exactly what's going to have to happen because the framing is smaller than the brick opening. Second problem. Depth from drywall to the old caulk line. I couldn't measure it because I couldn't get the window open, so it was sort of tried to get a tape measure beside the window and sneak it through, and anyway it's off by about 1/4 inch. So have the caulk line come to here or get some jam extensions for the inside and just trim it out a little bit differently. Pretty happy so far. Like a glove. So it's not in all the way over here. Okay.
Well, but I can't. I'm just afraid of this.
Yeah. So the thing is, the window's not as deep as it should be. It's about 1/4 inch off. So I want to place it back where ideally on the outside I want it to be. And if I have to jam extend the inside, then so be it.
Exactly.
Window is in, and it looks enormous without those sliders at the bottom. What a view of the backyard, holy cow. So, just a few things. It's not quite centered yet, but because I didn't measure the depth of the window perfectly, I now have sort of between 1/4 and 1/2 of an inch that the jamb is coming short to meet the drywall. So there's going to be some compromise in the depth of where it meets the brick and some trim apparently, or some jam extension that's going to be tacked on here just to meet that. I suppose not too bad. It could have been worse. I could have ordered a window too big for the brick opening. Many far worse things could have happened. So, this is what I purchased to extend the jamb. It's not much. It's, what is it? It's 1/4 of an inch. And I'm gonna have to cut it around. And, well, this is a little bit long. Here we go. So once it's on, obviously not in that orientation, but up and down, once it's on there, it's a smooth transition to the drywall. This is purely a mistake in ordering the window because I could not get a tape measure across the complete depth of the window, and I was off by, well, 1/8. 'Tis what it is. Onwards and upwards. And just like that, it's done. I was quoted $3,250 to replace that window, and I did it myself for $850. And I don't have to wonder how much insulation is hiding behind the trim because I know. I put it there.